1/3 of the hip-hop trio Migos, was shot and killed in Houston. A representative for the city's police department has confirmed to Variety. He was 28. The rapper was shot and killed at a bowling alley in downtown Houston where he and Quavo, his uncle and Migos bandmate, were playing dice at around 2:30 a.m. on Tuesday. Officers told KPRC Houston that a crowd of approximately 40 or 50 people was at the scene when the shooting took place and there was a man with a gunshot wound to the head or neck. Takeoff was pronounced dead at the scene, while Quavo was unharmed. 2 other people were shot and taken to the hospital. Their breakout hit, Versace, vaulted them to stardom in 2013 and landed a remix from Drake. Since then, Migos has become one of the most successful hip-hop acts in recent years and one of the most successful rap groups of all time, with some 20 platinum and gold singles and albums certified by the RIAA, including their Hot 100 #1 hit Bad and Bougie. Their signature sound, short, staccato lyrics from one answered by the other two with a word or verbal sound effect, has been often imitated. Migos' other top 10 hits include Stir Fry, Motorsport with Cardi B and Walk It Talk It with Drake.